a look at this. I can take no credit for the preparation of this. It was Brendan from Raw Food. But it's an organic, locally sourced, raw, apple pie. So basically the base is walnuts, cashews, almonds and dates. The filling is just sliced apple dates and a little bit of orange juice. And then just some strawberries cut over the top. How easy is that? And so healthy. But the real test is in the taste.
Get him, Bess.
So we've got Get Wet Surf.
Where's the Bess?
And they're going to be having a taste of it themselves with the weather. But first, how about this unstable weather? As we were hearing earlier, it's going to stick around until Thursday. Let's see what that means for the forecast.
Bessie! What happened? Go on, get him, Bess. He's a... Get him, Bess. Where have they gone? Bessie!